first support level for Gala isn't 3 cents, which is very big. The current Gala price is 0.058, and the 24-hour trading volume for Gala is 243,827,327, which is very big bull control. Gale is really current cost tasks, which is really very big, the 31st of May 2023. In this video, we'll show you everything you need to know about the decently Gala cost examination for now, or at least 1 week from now. We'll also try to answer some of the most frequently asked questions about important problems. Even though it's not what most people think, what's especially important is that Gala cost expectations are very Gala and especially wise venture Gala support and resistance levels and so on. Before getting too deep into the Gala technical study, let's talk about what kind of economy we have now, contrary to what most people think. Analysis of the market over the last 24 hours shows that there was a loss of 1.84%, taking the total cryptocurrency market to $1, 122, 121, 212, 340, 478, which is very important and really big. In a real sense, the total amount of money traded usually stays at $22,750,700,277,610 is a lot of money in every way that matters. Bitcoin shares 46.29% of the passage market, while Ethereum kind of has a strength of 16.33% in an incredibly enormous way, which is truly gigantic, which very achieved Bitcoin's cost dropping down to $26,797.21 level after a ROT of 0.42, which fluctuate the most part is really immense. Different elective computerized monetary forms as Ethereum positively unequivocally has seen an expense addition of 0.12 coming to $1,813.92 during the beyond 24 hours in a very colossal way. While conveying this blog, BNB traded at 308.52 following a worth difference in 0.48 inside a comparable time span in a particularly colossal way. XRP, the nicely overall neighborhood coin of XRP in a genuine enumeration someplace close 1.1 and by trading at 46. Which really shows that yet preceding bouncing definitely significant into the really celebration-specific assessment unquestionably drove us unquestionably examine the very current financial circumstances outstandingly further appearance how yet before diving significant into the particularly hurricane a particular examination unequivocally let us unquestionably examine the sort of current monetary circumstances all around instead of standard reasoning. Moreover, Coco's BCX reached 60 cents immediately after experiencing a loss of 0.77%. These events indicate that the market in every common sense is going in a really downward direction at the present time, as they in every viable sense believed rather than conventional reasoning. Currently, the crypto market is displaying an unusually wide, unquestionably deplorable drop, demonstrating how the bull control event's current cost is acting in an unassuming manner. Function support and block moving in resistance all around are colossal particular pointers used to from a genuine point of view fundamentally recognize extraordinarily basic expense levels where the example can follow an alternate way. So at this moment a colossal sort of unfavorable plunge ought to be seen all through the crypto market, demonstrating how bull control occasions kind of present expense exercises in a colossal man's support. Part 1. Support is a level where buyers become more active and stop the coin's price from going down. Resistance is a level where sellers become more active and stop the coin's price from going up. Beyond 24 hours exhibiting how similarly obstruction essentially is a level at which vendors for the most part become move fundamentally dynamic and actually for the most part prevent the coin's cost from moving higher, showing how support most certainly for the most part is a level at which purchasers for the most part truly become sort of in every practical sense all the more fundamentally buy and large dynamic, can truly prevent the coin's cost from falling any further, which basically truly is genuinely huge, which is very critical at present. Really, Gala certainly explicitly is up by 4.58 since yesterday, with a market capitalization of $404,187,282 in a reasonably most certainly large manner, which is very huge. Gala value examination. All things considered, Gala cost investigation for the 31st of May. 2023 inside and in every way that really matters, essentially day-to-day time period, truly made sense of beneath, which most certainly is genuinely critical. We utilized genuinely relative strength index moving most certainly normal and uniqueness backing levels, opposition levels, different time span moving midpoints, including sort of basic moving kind of normal and dramatic moving commonly normal, to really in a real sense examine the future development of the Gala, or so they basically thought. Incredibly, while Gale is Williams percent, our pointer especially is at 72.181. For the 14-day time span, showing a nonpartisan condition, an exchange genuinely signal fundamentally, especially as somewhat really conceivable at this rate, exhibiting how kind of Gala value examination sort of kind of Gala cost examination for the 31st of May 2023 inside a day-to-day time period most certainly made sense of beneath an especially significant manner. The MACD line in a real sense is remaining underneath of the especially signal line after a hybrid, so the sort of complete exchanging volume most certainly remains at 22,757,277,610, or so they essentially thought, which sort of is genuinely huge. Gala investors should wait for a change in direction on the daily graph, which shows how similar resistance is a level at which sellers become more active and stop the coin's price from going up, while support is a level at which buyers become more active and stop the coin's price from going down. Moving forward, it's normal to look at how the Gala will develop in the future. Despite what most people think, the Gala's overall trend is still down, but the price movement could show a bullish turn with its bullish overwhelm. When Bitcoin goes back to its old price of $28,450, people who want to buy it are left thinking where it will go next. Will the good trend continue, allowing the price of Bitcoin to rise even more, or should we get ready for a likely drop? In the Bitcoin price forecast for today, we'll look at economic and market factors to try to answer these questions. As the United States thinks about raising its debt ceiling, the value of digital currencies like Bitcoin goes up, passing the $28,000 mark. Bitcoin, BTC, has gone up by 3%, and the rest of the cryptocurrency market is green, which suggests that prices will go up over the weekend. But this influx of money didn't happen until Republican leader Kevin McCarthy and U.S. President Joe Biden came to a preliminary agreement to raise the huge $32